Fellas, listen up. Ever feel like you're striking out in the love department? Think you need a fat wallet to attract the ladies? Think again. I'm here to tell you that becoming the man women want has nothing to do with the size of your bank account. It's about building a life you love, exuding confidence, and understanding what truly makes a man attractive. Forget the fancy cars and the designer suits. Women are drawn to men who are driven, passionate, and living their best lives. They want a man with a plan, a man who knows what he wants and isn't afraid to go after it. This is about becoming the best version of yourself. A man who is confident, independent, and ready for a real connection. So, are you ready to ditch the tired old myths and discover the secrets to becoming truly irresistible? Buckle up, gentlemen, because we're about to rewrite the rules of attraction. Let's get one thing straight. Money doesn't buy you love. Sure, it might buy you a fancy dinner date or a flashy sports car, but it won't buy you genuine connection or lasting attraction. Women are smart, fellas. They can spot a gold digger a mile away. Real attraction runs deeper than material possessions. It's about shared values, common interests, and that undeniable spark. It's about finding someone who gets you, who challenges you, and who makes you want to be a better man. So ditch the idea that you need to be rich to find love. Focus on building a life filled with purpose and passion. Be the best version of yourself, and the right woman will be drawn to your authentic self, not your bank account. Ever notice how the guy who's always available seems to get passed over, while the one who's already taken or seems less interested gets all the attention? It's frustrating, right? But there's a reason for this phenomenon, and it all comes down to basic human psychology. We naturally desire what we perceive as valuable and scarce. When a man is constantly available, it can give the impression that he's not in high demand. On the other hand, a man who is less available, who has his own life and passions, projects an aura of confidence and self-sufficiency. He's not waiting around for a woman to complete him. He's already living a fulfilling life. This makes him intriguing and mysterious, sparking a woman's curiosity and desire to know more. Understanding the psychology of attraction can help you approach dating with a healthier mindset and attract the kind of woman who's truly worthy of your time. Fellas, learning to say no is one of the most powerful things you can do for yourself, both in your personal and romantic life. When you're constantly available to everyone, you spread yourself thin and diminish your value. Think of yourself as a valuable commodity. When you're always readily available, it's like having a sale on your time and attention. But when you're selective about who you give your time to, you increase your perceived value. This isn't about being rude or dismissive. It's about setting healthy boundaries and prioritizing your own needs and goals. When you have a strong sense of self and aren't afraid to say no to things that don't serve you, you exude an air of confidence and self-respect that women find irresistible. So start saying yes to yourself and your own aspirations, and watch how your love life transforms. Section 5. Playing it cool, practical tips to become Mr. Right, not Mr. Right now. Alright, gentlemen, now that you understand the power of being less available, let's talk about how to put this into practice without sending the wrong message. The goal is to become Mr. Right, not Mr. Right now, and that requires finding the right balance between pursuing your passions and making time for romance. First and foremost, ditch the phone. Constantly texting and calling can make you appear clingy and insecure. Instead, focus on quality over quantity. When you do reach out, be engaging and intentional with your communication. Don't be afraid to make her wait a little bit for a response. This doesn't mean you should ignore her messages for days, but a little bit of space can create anticipation and make her more eager to hear from you. Most importantly, have your own life. Pursue your passions, hang out with your friends, and engage in activities that bring you joy. When you're living a fulfilling life outside of dating, it shows that you're not desperate for a relationship, which is incredibly attractive to women. Remember, dating should be a part of your life, not your entire life, so relax, enjoy the process, and let things unfold naturally. Section 6. Building your empire passion projects for an irresistible you. Men, let me tell you something. Nothing is more attractive to a woman than a man with passion in his eyes and a fire in his belly. When you're excited about your life and pursuing your dreams, it creates an infectious energy that draws people in. So what are you passionate about? What makes your heart sing? Whether it's music, art, sports, business, or something else entirely, find something that ignites your soul and pursue it with everything you've got. Not only will this make you a more interesting and well-rounded individual, but it will also boost your confidence and self-esteem. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, it shows, and it's incredibly attractive. So, go out there and build your empire, fellas. Pursue your passions, develop your talents, and become the best version of yourself. Section 7. The confidence factor. Own your worth, attract your queen. Gentlemen, let's talk about confidence. It's the secret sauce, the magic ingredient, the X factor that can make or break your love life. When you exude confidence, you radiate an aura of self-assurance and masculinity that women find irresistible. Confidence isn't about arrogance or cockiness, it's about knowing your worth and owning it. It's about believing in yourself even when no one else does. It's about walking into a room with your head held high and your shoulders back, knowing that you have something special to offer. Building confidence takes time and effort, but it's one of the best investments you can make in yourself. Start by focusing on your strengths and accomplishments. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Take care of your physical health. Hit the gym, eat right, and get enough sleep. When you feel good physically, it shows in your posture, your energy levels, and your overall demeanor. Section 8. Mastering the art of conversation, charm. Her with your words. Fellas, let's be real. A lot of us could use a little help in the conversation department. In the age of texting and social media, it seems like the art of conversation is becoming a lost art. But trust me, being a good conversationalist is a crucial skill when it comes to attracting women. First and foremost, be a good listener. Women are drawn to men who make them feel heard and understood. So put down your phone, make eye contact, and really listen to what she has to say. Ask follow-up questions and show genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable and share your own thoughts and experiences. Women appreciate authenticity and emotional intelligence. Humor is another powerful tool in your conversational arsenal. A well-placed joke can break the ice, lighten the mood, and make you more memorable. Remember, conversation is a two-way street. It's about finding common ground, sharing experiences, and building a connection. Section 9. Ditch the games, embrace authenticity, be real, be you. Listen up, fellas, because this is important. Women can spot a phony a mile away. They've seen it all before. The cheesy pickup lines, the calculated moves, the desperate attempts to impress. In a world where everyone is trying to be someone they're not, authenticity is a breath of fresh air. Women are drawn to men who are comfortable in their own skin, who aren't afraid to be vulnerable, and who embrace their quirks and imperfections. So ditch the games, fellas. Stop trying to be someone you're not, and start being the best version of yourself. Be honest about your intentions, be respectful of her boundaries, and let your true personality shine through. Remember, the right woman will love you for who you are, not who you pretend to be. Section 10. Building a kingdom of one. Finding happiness outside of romance. Fellas, here's a secret to becoming the man every woman wants. Be happy with yourself. That's right. The key to attracting a queen is to build a kingdom within yourself first. When you're content with your own company, when you find joy and fulfillment in your own life, you become a magnet for love and connection. So, how do you build this kingdom of one? Start by focusing on your passions, your goals, and your personal growth. Invest in yourself, develop your talents, and pursue activities that bring you joy. Surround yourself with positive people who support your dreams and lift you up. Remember, happiness is an inside job. It's not something you find in another person, it's something you cultivate within yourself. Section 11. Becoming the total package, a magnet for love and connection. Congratulations, gentlemen, you've made it to the end of our journey. By now you should have a better understanding of what it truly means to be the man every woman wants. It's not about money, status, or playing games, it's about becoming the best version of yourself and living a life filled with purpose, passion, and authenticity. Remember, building a strong foundation for love starts with self-love. Embrace your strengths, work on your weaknesses, and never stop learning and growing. Cultivate your passions, set healthy boundaries, and learn to say no to things that don't serve you. When you prioritize your own happiness and well-being, you become a magnet for love and connection. So go out there and be the best man you can be, fellas. The world is waiting for you.